Thursday afternoon, the 14th of April, 2022. 3 o'clock. Low 70s. Quick trip, Tucker Norcross or Norcross Tucker. Safe place. There are cameras everywhere. You got 2 on that corner. You've got 1 in this gas stall. You've got 1 on that other corner. You have 1 in each of these stalls. You got 2 in that one. 3 in that one. Another one there, the wisteria. I'm not sure what that pink tree is. Cherry, double cherry. Wisteria is blooming. It was blooming in South Georgia. We're headed north. We're just going to do a little, traffic. We got off at 85 because of traffic. It's just 3 o'clock. I'm not sure which way we're going to go yet, but we'll be weaving in and out and zigzagging and going here and there, trying to keep on the move. I'll drive 25 miles out of the way just to keep on the move. Gas is $3.75. We've got to get some gas pretty soon. I was hoping to get it a little bit cheaper. $3.69. We probably have enough gas to get to Arcade, but when it gets this low, I do like to go ahead and get some gas. It's just about touching the E. But when it gets like this, I usually have 7 gallons left when I fill up. This one holds 31 gallons. It takes about 24 when it's from this point. I'm going to turn it off right now, and we'll go ahead and pick it up here now. Ran my mouth while the light was running. Coming up on Jimmy Carter Boulevard. '85 was showing congested all the way to Norcross. We may see how 85 is getting back on maybe at Beaver Ruin. Get back on before the mall. Now there used to be another quick trip up here on the left. That would have them pretty close together, but I mean they do so much business. They support the business. And so this is Jimmy Carter. To the left you got the Varsity up there. To the right you've got crosses over Lawrenceville Highway. I guess it turns into Stone Mountain, turn into Mountain Industrial there, or does it stay Jimmy Carter till it gets to Hugh Howell? I'm not sure. And left will take you on over to Norcross. 85's there about a mile on the left. This area has changed drastically over the last 20 years. And drastically is probably an understatement rather than an overstatement. Yeah, we got a Kroger here. Gas is $3.77. I've got 10 cents a gallon off, but I still want to get it cheaper. QT over there, $3.77. Now we'll turn it off until we get through this light. Yeah, when we crossed Jimmy Carter, it turned into Singleton. If I knew 85 was clear, I'd get back on up here at Indian Trail, but I don't know that, and I'm not going to drive up the hill to find out. major intersection we get to will be Indian Trail. Something going up there. I don't know what it is. Like I say, we're running sort of parallel with US 29 and 85. We're running in between US 29 and 85. I don't think I have this video before, so that'll be a good video. Over to Dollar General going through all of their clothes, taking them from one thing, putting them in another thing. Two big hampers. That's an interesting little short dump truck, wasn't it? Video going through the city of Norcross. I guess we need Indian Trail and Beaver Ruin. We won't get them today though. We got Ronald Reagan a couple of weeks ago, both ways. Go straight across up here, we may get in Meadow Creek traffic, I don't know. I haven't been in this area much in about 6 or 7 years when I moved out. So we could turn left there and then turn left on Indian Trail and go down to 85, but I don't want to go through Lilburn on 29. And Lilburn's to the right, Norcross is to the left. Gwinnett Place Mall straight ahead. We'll be coming up on Beaver Ruin next, and then Pleasant Hill. We'll try to get on 85, back on 85 at Pleasant Hill or Beaver Ruin 1. Okay, crossing Indian Trail, it turns into Steve Reynolds. We are videoing with the GoPro Black 10. We keep giving it a try. High School on the left. I don't even know that this road was here in 72. Steve Reynolds will cross over 85, but it doesn't have a ramp. We won't be able to get on. But we will see if we can get on up here at Beaver Ruin. Don't really want to go into Norcross. Not this afternoon, anyway. Another quick trip. Used to be over here on this right corner, and I guess the traffic, business, something other wasn't right. They closed up and moved over here to this left corner. That was an old, one of the older quick trips there at the right when it was a quick trip. Okay, we're going to turn it off. Wait for us to get going, then we'll go down Beaver Ruin and hopefully can get on.